Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah.
Hello! Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. So we caught up to where we were last episode before we died and cleared the room as well.
Yep. And now, son.
Mother, I found you.
What?
I know.
Ah.
Hey, look! A sister!
Oh, she gave us.
It's all whole family's
Yeah.
here.
Our Cincinnati world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way.
It's a
This
Lombax.
pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder...
Oh shit, that's Ratchet's own planet.
Oh, motherfucker.
But no more. Behold, the
Steve
deep planet
Seagal, you
the
bastard.
most powerful laser ever created. Soon, we'll move the deplanetizer into place just above the
The
planet.
plot of this just Star
I
Wars.
will, of course, be on hand to...
Seems like it.
that will blow this
Chairman Drax
planet
Emperor Palpatine, I think.
No one will even miss it.
And I think
See you then.
Quarks.
Darth Vader in reverse.
Are you?
He's gonna come in and save you at the end and then be like,
Is going?
take his mask off and Ratchet has a moment of
Shouldn't have taken me this long.
realising that they could have been the same.
What happens when you mess with my home? What are you smiling at? This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
I love you, Ratchet.
You're turning me on, buddy.
We need to get
I
I like
love-
the passion in your
then we
voice.
can find out where he set up that laser.
I love you,
Make
Ratchet.
you proud, Mom.
Who's this mom character?
Aww. That was genuinely heartwarming.
It's just a shame he wasn't there to see it. What's up here?
Oh, gold
Gold
bolt.
bolt.
That was the easiest to get gold bolt in the game.
Yeah. Still don't know what they do, but yeah, gold bolt.
If you get enough of them, you get upgrades to weapons. So it's the same weapons, but you can get better versions of them or something like that, I think.
I don't know.
From what I've read.
Whee! Sploosh.
Slidey. Where we going next, motherfuckers?
I don't know.
Away
Probably
from these creepy plants.
She goes to the planet where Clank has a hissy fit for some reason. That no, I am not getting out of the ship.
Well, we're done there, aren't we?
Drex
Fleet. Oh, is
I
this
think-
right near the end then?
I think so.
We've said that for like the last 5-10 episodes.
Yeah.
I keep thinking we're right near the end because the story seems to keep taking you to places.
I think
Seems
this
like the
genuinely
final
might be near
places.
the end though.
This is the end. Possibly. Oh, it's a big old centipede. Well, it makes sense for this to be the end now that he's
Yeah.
threatening to blow up his home planet. He's like, I'm going to actually go sort this out now.
I'm gonna get my hands dirty.
Enough dicking around! Let's do some dicking to this dick!
Dick. Dick, dickety, dick, dick, dick.
Dick, 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 dick. Dickelodeon.
Wow, that would change that channel.
Late night Nickelodeon.
Dickelodeon.
Get your dick out, it's Dickelodeon. Nothing but the sexiest cartoons.
I'm pretty sure there will be somebody who's like well into that.
SpongeBob After Dark. He's just got
Patrick.
he's got so many holes. Someone's gotta fill them.
Patrick Horny.
I mean, you got the thing to make you go fast underwater.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, and you can't drown anymore, can you?
No.
Because you like Kirby a scuba mask on. Nice. Is that it?
Yeah,
Did
the
you go
doors
back
are
up to the
open.
top?
No, doors are
Oh.
open down here.
It's just another little underwater section. Oh,
Ah, not another one of these.
press the button. quick, quick, quick. Go, go. Don't get electrocuted. Don't touch those. Those also look electrocuted. And those are mines.
Those are yours.
Not yours. They're mine.
Ow!
Ow!
That kind of hurt.
Ow!
That kind of hurt.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, oh,
Hey, yo! Forget about it. Electric fans on the water, forget about it.
AOL.
I'm walking here.
Cousin Nicky.
You always go to Rick and Morty with that quote, don't you? You know it's from a film, right?
It is?
Yes, from Midnight Cowboy.
Oh.
It's what Dustin Hoffman says when he nearly gets hit by a
Oh,
taxi.
yeah.
He slams on the bonnet of the
And
car
he's
and goes, "Hey, I'm walking here!"
You know that wasn't scripted.
Oh yeah, that's supposed to be a thing, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, it actually happened and that was just his reaction in character.
That's pretty sweet. That's pretty dope, to be fair.
That's pretty sweet and dope.
That's method acting that is fine. Is it method acting or is it... No,
Yeah, I
it's
suppose
improvisation.
it's improvisation, but I suppose it's kind of method to stay in character when you nearly get hit by a car. It's a bit of both.
Like, you remember the scene in Taxi Driver where Robert De Niro's like, you talking to me? You talking to me? That wasn't scripted either.
That was improv, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And in Blade Runner, the bit where it's raining on the android dude's face,
What the speech?
and he says,
Yeah.
parts of that are improv as well. What's the really famous line from that bit? Whatever that is, supposedly he just made up on the spot.
What have I got? Codebot? What's that?
Codebot, it's for code cracking, you know. Codebot.
Back to Launchpad McQuack.
Oh, mate. If only that big chin duck was here to save us now. I've never seen a duck with a chin, let alone one that fucking big. I'm pretty sure he qualified as a pelican for how big the bottom part of his beak was.
That's an almighty chin.
Was he supposed to be a pelican? I thought he was supposed to be a duck like everyone else, but now I'm thinking about it, it would make more sense. I think you're going into that green business.
I think that might be where all the...
The goop is.
Yeah.
Go find out. Go goop it
He's
up.
got to do this all again.
Oh no, there's a button at the front there that takes you somewhere else, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, jump on that, see what happens. Where does that take you?
I imagine to the other side.
Yeah, then do that.
Your...
If it's a place you haven't been, rather than going back through the same bit, there you go. There were other platforms with teleporter things on them as well. Oh, holo-guise times. You still got it active. Wait, he hasn't got anything to press. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
The robots themselves are fine. It's when they've got their little bastard buttons.
Yeah, they're little bastard buttons.
Got them bastard buttons to press. Sending your little
Shit.
bastards. Oh, that's when you need it. Run back, run back, run back. Close them doors.
You can't catch me.
I think you're far enough away now. Right, change now.
Zero. Hi.
Hey, it's not the guy from before. Just
I'm
with
so-
some pans on his head.
I'm totally a robot now. I mean, I've always been a robot.
Oh.
Go on. Come on.
Woof, woof, woof.
Come on.
And a woof, woof, woof to you.
Come at me, bro. Come on. Come on.
You can't do shit.
Yes, there's nothing I love more
That was
than
like the
killing
perfect
robot
opportunity
dogs.
to use your favourite thing. You could have just thrown minions over the barrier.
Yeah, I know.
You love your minions. Yes. Well played.
Just in case.
Play it safe. Nice.
Go to Dregnut.
Go. What? Dreadnought. I was
Dreadnought.
looking. Dreadnought.
Dreadnought.
Oh. So they will just take you through the different parts. I wonder if we are actually going into the boss fight. Oh. They all have buttons. Shit, go now. Change back. Don't beat up any of them. Just go through the whole room.
You know, this would be the perfect time to have the minions as well.
Yeah, but if you just didn't fight them and just go through the room, change back.
You'll see why.
I suppose as long as they don't attack you, if you can change back into the holo-guise again, then it doesn't matter, does it? It's only if they'd seen you afterwards.
Oh,
right,
shit.
you got both here, so... Throw a load of minions. Then change back. Wait, don't do it yet, don't do it yet, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet! They're gonna see you! Change back, change back, change back! Come on, little guys. Finish them off. Nice. Sweet.
Sweet, isn't it?
They're a good combo.
I'm gonna get some more ammo.
Oh yeah, you can buy it without going anywhere now.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi.
I already let my
Hi.
best friends call me Fuzzball.
Hi, scale face.
Yeah, it's not nice when it's done to you, is it? Prick.
Goes both ways, you bastard. Hey, Larry. You minding the aquarium? It totally looks like an aquarium rather than space. It's so
Look at
blue,
all
they
these-
just look like green fish in the distance.
Look at all these space fishes with this.
No, Larry, you know I'm just playing. I know we're in space. There's no aquarium.
You're nearly.
Yeah, you're nearly at the 30,000 to get the other thing.
Yeah. Yes!
Two things here as well. Perfect. You can go back to
What I
full health
needed.
now. Yeah. I sense a presence on the other side of this door. My spirit guide has told me. Is this motherfucker not turning around? Turn around, go back. I have an idea. Let the door close. Go far enough away that the door closes. Throw some minions, put
Yeah,
the
but they're gonna
costume on, then open the door.
They're gonna get caught by the laser at the bottom.
Oh, was it too low down?
Yeah.
Oh, but they went through all the other lasers.
I also have an idea.
Oh yeah, it is really low down.
I might
I'm
just
just
have
gonna
to.
try and rush that one.
Yeah.
Nope. Maybe try devastating him. Open door. Close door. Try, yeah, devastate. Oh, that one guy's dead now anyway, so it don't matter. Was he dead? Did you get him?
I don't think so.
No. Go back. Let the doors close. Get the Devastator out. Open the door, fuck him up.
Cool.
Try that. Let's see if that works. I'm just trying to
will.
get the aim right. Right. You had it then, it went green. I feel like you're just going to shoot the door.
Yeah, that's why I'm a little bit sceptical to.
Right. Just go, just try and shoot him quickly. Oh,
Oh!
damn it. Probably pretty quick with that. Or could you not throw the minions over the barrier?
Oh, don't tell me we've got to start all over again.
This isn't the beginning, is it?
Yeah, but it is.
Oh.
It's fucking lame.
I sent you a little bit too far back. I suppose it's near the end.
Still, that's lame.
Do.
Oh, fuck off.
You're trying too hard. Let it happen.
Oh, gotta keep calm. Gotta keep calm.
Yeah, can you throw the minions high enough to go over that low laser?
I probably could.
Could you open the door, throw him over, then run back and let the door close?
Good idea, actually.
Just let them get involved and you just run away. A door is also a kind of shield. A shield from sight. You gonna do the same thing or are you gonna try and stealth through?
Same thing.
That should be long enough. Go for the door that has some bananas on it.
Potassium door. It's the door to health.
It's the door to more fibre in your diet. Yeah, it's this one, isn't it?
That's the next one.
No, this has got a low laser. Run, 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 run. Change back. Oh, was it the next one that was a problem then? I thought it was this one.
No, it's the next one.
Oh yeah, because it was one guy facing you, wasn't it? This one wasn't that bad.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Where you going, you little room here? What were you walking in here to check on? Oh, is it nothing?
Oh, it's nothing. It's a whole lot of nothing.
It's an empty room. What a lovely empty room you have.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Go back, go back, go back. Don't need to go that far back.
Yeah, I did.
Why?
Because I got shot.
You didn't. You walked into a laser. They can't go through the door. You got hurt because you walked into a laser on the floor. Oh, it was on the next bit of ship, isn't it? It's not this one anyway.
Yeah. Fuck it. I'm feeling healthy.
Feeling healthy from all these lovely banana doors. They don't taste like bananas though, they taste like rust. Also, they're not made of bananas, they're made of rust.
A perfect part of a Lombax diet.
Rusty bananas. Get 'em while they're hot. That's the advert for them. It's a simple advert. Right, it's this one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's this one full of pricks.
Right. So, scope it out again. Or just go for it if you want. Throw 'em over. Run. That's it. See if he's dead.
Please be dead.
Work though. I just have to do it a couple of times. Right, there's a couple of dogs down. That's it. Perfect. You got hit, but you're good. You didn't get hit by those fucking things.
See how many of them are dead. Oh, good.
Watch out for the side room ones though.
Yeah, they're all gone.
Cool.
Just in case.
Yeah, you needed it. It is me and my robot friend. He's not coming to kill you. Don't worry about it. Just let us through. He'll be fine.
Through.
There's some health in here. Could you do
I've
some
just
health?
earned a skill point.
You know, this game had skill points.
Nor did I.
There we go. Think you'll get that other weapon before we get to the boss?
Doubt it. Because I think this is coming up to the final boss now.
Where'd you go?
Hmm?
Where'd you go in it? Oh, there. Can see the thing. Go to Derek's flagship.
Derek Zoolander, isn't it?
Yeah. Blue Steel. That's who we're fighting, right? This is the Derek Zoolander Centre for Kids Who Can't Read Good.
Oh,
Oh, there were two ways to go, weren't there? Oh, fuck. Watch out for that shit. We're at time. Do you want to stop here, or do you want to... Yeah.
Stop here.
And then next episode, maybe we'll get to the boss.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. See you
See you
later.
next time.
Bye.
Bye. I don't think we can go in.
Yeah.
Right.
Whoa! Whoa!
Fucking hell. Jesus.
Whoa,
Is he gonna kill me?
okay.
I don't know.